need 7. What are your other tools in the tool shed? The survey? Become a Facebook friend? That's a good one, guys. Becoming a Facebook friend is actually a multiple exposure because you get to be friends. And when you're friends, okay, they'll look at your profile and you'll look at theirs. Like your dog's cute, your kids are great. Okay, that's an exposure to us being good people, to you being trustworthy, to you being real. That's an exposure. They are exposed to you being you, to you being awesome, to you being positive. Everything can be an exposure. This is a multiple exposure process. And I get it. There's some people out there, they're closing, no one gets off the phone unless they're closed, And so I'm just not that guy. Okay.